Hi everybody, thank you for joining. Today we're going to analyze the Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar, and this is a short-term move. It's on the 30-minute chart. Okay, so what we're looking at here is we have our support area down here, our resistance area up here. If we look at the long term, we can see this is a bullish trend, so we definitely want to go on the up, not the down. So moving back to our 30 minutes, we look here, we do have here is a 50 moving average. Okay, so as we can see, the price has jumped above the moving average and it's held above. When you see that happen, not all the time, but lots of times it will continue that way. So when it came down here, it went all the way down. You get a couple little hitches, but this one seems to be holding pretty nicely, so that's definitely good. This one appeared to be holding, but it didn't in the end, so it's not perfect, but it's definitely an indication. Now, we can see here we had a descending wedge formation here, which is a bullish signal, and we have a break of that descending wedge along with that moving average. This is a pretty strong signal. So all we need now is the break of this soft resistance. So a pending order right about here, maybe 1.925 is a good spot. And looking at the MFI and the RSI, so the RSI stayed in conjunction with the price, as you can see here. The MFI continued to drop. Now, looking at this here, we can see that the sentiment is actually going in on the up, because now that this is dropping, we're not getting no drop. There's no sentiment for the bear. So I suspect once this turns back up, which it looks like it will be doing very soon, probably somewhere around here or possibly somewhere around here in these areas. So once this turns up, that's when we'll probably come up here and give the test for the break. I believe we will break at that time. However, there's always the chance that we might come down here and maybe even go below our last previous low. So when you do this trade, your stop loss should be below the last previous low. Now, also looking in on the longer term, we can see that we've landed on the moving average here, the 50 MA. Okay, it looks pretty nice for rejection. This looks like a perfect buy on this time frame as well. As you can see, the indicators are starting to turn up. That's a great sign. Okay, now looking here, knowing that we're on a support area, we can see some price action. We have pretty much two hammers here. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. We also are looking to get a new high, which we have not done yet. So hopefully we get that break, we get a new high, then a new low, and then we have higher highs and higher lows on the 1 hour and on the 30 minute, and we're set to go. So that's my analysis for Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar on the 30 minute. This is definitely a buy. In fact, I just noticed this now, just as I'm talking. We also have an inverted head and shoulders. Excellent. Everything is pointing up on this one. It's like free money. Do not miss out on this opportunity, pending above the break of the resistance. So hopefully that was helpful. Make sure you practice good risk management and don't trade too big. All right, have a great day and good luck.